What's going on, y'all? It's Claude. You're checking me out again at Mostly Healthy Food Reviews. Westport, Connecticut. Decided I'd try to get something healthy for lunch. So I'm going to go ahead and take a quick run over to my local Panera, because I've had their vegan options before as far as their healthy bowls and stuff, right? So I said, you know what? Let me try and see what else they got. I'm going to go with a salad. Something easy, something simple. So let's stab real quick, see what they got. And as usual, very real review. You ready? Let's go. And there you have it. Easy, simple lunch today, y'all. Half of a salad. It's a Tex Mex salad. So basically it has your veggies on it, your black beans, your chicken, big pieces of avocado, and then it has, you know, your sauce. The sauce is a Tex Mex sauce, so it's kind of spicy. If you're into spicy, great. If you're not, you might want to use just a little bit of it. As you see, I kind of poured mine all over it. The sauce was good. It was good. It was spicy, but it was good. Had a little bit of a heat. It was good. Avocado's very fresh, and they kind of took over the show on this salad. The bed of greens is what it is. And then, of course, like I said, you got your chicken. Now, the salad itself does come out cold. I'm a little surprised. I figured that maybe they would actually have grilled chicken that'd be a little warm on it. And it would probably taste better with grilled chicken that was warm, y'all. Panera, pay attention to that. Warm grilled chicken. Anyway, I did get some chips with it. I got a little apple, of course, my water. So my half a salad with the bottle of water and everything came to about $10 today. I got the bottle of water separately. As you see on a receipt for the actual half salad, apple, and chips came to $8 and change. But is it flavorful? Yes, it is. It's a good salad. It's tasty. I probably wouldn't get a whole salad. A half salad for me would actually fill me up as a grown adult. I'm just saying it, right? You just want to be full. You don't want to be overly, you get the point. But anyway, guys, good salad. I enjoyed it. Panera, as once again, you guys are doing your thing. Haven't had any complaints with you guys at all. The food's always fresh, flavorful. The service is on time. You guys actually get the food out to us quick. Thank you. I appreciate it. Who knew? But anyway, in either case, I'm going to go ahead and rate this salad right now. I'm going to give it a 4. 4 on my scale. It's a solid salad. It is. Even for a half. It's not the best salad I've ever had in my entire life. And I can probably make salads very similar to this, except, of course, for the Tex Mex sauce. But it was a good salad. It was something that if you're out and about and you want to grab quick, you just do it, right? So for all you guys who are complaining or going to complain about, oh, I could have made my salad at home. Yeah, you could have. But while you're out and about, do I really have a kitchen in my trunk of my car or any of the ingredients to make my own salad? So sometimes and every once in a while, spend some money on yourself. Treat yourself well. That's the whole point. I'm going to get up out of here, man. If you guys like the videos, be sure to click like and subscribe. Turn notifications on. That way you get them when I drop them every Monday and Friday, 12 noon Eastern Standard. And during the week as time permits. And I'm trying to make time permit. You get the point. In any case, this is Claude. Mostly healthy food reviews. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm around for all the good food and flavors. If it has a health bonus, it's an added bonus. And this definitely has a health bonus, and it's an added bonus, and it's a flavorful bonus.